Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make this fishtail loop bracelet. This bracelet is really easy to make, that you only needed 2 pegs in making this. You can use your mini rainbow loop, your rainbow loop, or anything that has 2 pegs. But until further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial I'm going to use my rainbow loop, and you're going to need your hook, your rubber bands, and an S-clip or a C-clip. So you want to choose 2 pegs from your rainbow loom if you're going to use rainbow loom, and I'm going to use these 2 pegs. And after you chose your 2 pegs, you want to grab your first rubber band, which mine is dark blue, and you want to put that on the first peg that you just chose, and you want to twist it like a figure 8 and put it onto the second peg. So you should have something like this, like an infinity sign or like an 8. So after you have like that, you want to push down your rubber bands just for the space, and you want to add 2 more rubber bands, which mine is, I'm going to use red. You want to place that on top, and you don't have to twist it, only the first layer. Put another, and no more twisting. So after you have 3 layers of rubber bands, you want to grab your hook, and you want to start the hooking process. You want to grab the very bottom layer and you want to hook that over and just release. You want to grab the very bottom layer. You want to just hook that over and release, so that you have something like this, or having a cat band. You want to push down your rubber bands. You want to add on 1 rubber band only. So if you have now 3 layers of rubber bands, that's the time that you're going to start the hooking process. So for the hooking process again, you're just going to grab the very bottom layer, and it doesn't matter if which order you hook it first. Just hook first the very bottom, just like that. Push down your rubber bands, and you want to just continue this pattern until it feels right enough on your wrist. So I'm going to show you that one more time. You want to place it on top, and after you have this 3 layer of rubber bands, you want to grab your hook, and you want to start the hooking process. You want to grab the very bottom layer. You want to hook that over and release. Again, do exactly the same on the other side. You want to grab your hook. You want to grab the very bottom layer. You want to hook that over and just release. You want to just keep doing this method until it feels right enough on your wrist. So I'm going to pause the video and turn it back when it fits right enough on my wrist. As you can see, I'm almost finished with my fishtail loop, but I want to get it out of my loop and want to put and wear it on my wrist. So this is the process you want to do. You want to put rubber band again on just those 2 pegs, and what do you want to do? You want to grab your hook. You want to grab again the very bottom layer. You want to hook that over and just release. Grab the very bottom layer, hook that over and release. So you should now have something like this, like having 2 rubber bands on each peg. So after you have this 2 peg, or having this 2 rubber bands on each peg, you want to grab the very bottom layer again. You want to hook that over and just release, and do the other, and do exactly the same on the other peg, just like that. And to finish now your bracelet, I want to just get this rubber band and go inside this and grab that. just like this. And you want to do is you want to grab the S clip or C clip, and I like to just to do is put it on my finger and attach the S clip or C clip to the other end. Now I have my own fishtail loop